Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change region on Windows. So let's get started. It's pretty simple. You can follow me along and you'll be able to do that really easily. First of all, you gotta head over to your PC settings, and once you do so, over here at the left side, you'll be able to see a couple of options. So you gotta select time and language. After that, you'll be able to see some more options. You gotta click on language and region over here. And then under the region section, you'll be able to see country or region. Windows and apps might use your country or region to give you local content. So you're going to click on the drop down and select your region in order to change it. So once you have changed your region, some changes apply instantly, but for full effect, you may need to restart your computer. And that's it. That's how you can change the region on your Windows easily. If you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.